It's your boy J Diggy 90 2 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. Hopefully my puppy don't knock my motherfucking camera over because she over here playing with an Adidas slide and shit. Nigga boost over everything. But nah man, I'm finally back on the channel. I know I took a bit of a hiatus. I just been working on some shit. Hopefully it drops soon. I'll tell y'all more at the end, because I know y'all don't be giving a fuck about my personal life. But look, so we only got 2 bags. And then I'll explain some more shit. But yo, shout out to motherfucking Reds, nigga. I don't know if y'all can see that bit. Bruh, that shit hit different. That black cherry ale hit different. Low, you hear me? That shit hit different, Lowly. She might be up here in a few. But nah, so, nigga, did you fall? Come on. Come on. I didn't choke her. That's just her. Well, that's low. But nah, so look, we gonna open this one, because this been open already. Y'all just ain't seen me in a bit. So, yeah. But the first pack comes from Urban Outfitters. They recently had a sale. I think it was like 35% off, like all tees. There she go. All tees and shit. So, the first one I caught is this Boys in the Hood thing. Right there. Y'all see that, Joe? My man Ice Cube on the front. Cuba Gooding Jr. Motherfucking freaky ass nigga. I don't know what the fuck going on with Cuba Gooding Jr. That nigga tripping. Telling girls to pee on his face and shit. That nigga is, oh, you freaky. Oh, why? Alright, so that's that one. Then this next one, my favorite jump. I ain't even a fan of his. It's just that this bitch was so hard. We got that Nasty Nas, nigga. Whose world is this? It's mine, 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 it's mine. It's mine. If heaven was a mile away, looking ass. But nah, so we got these 2. It wasn't too bad. Retail on both of these jumps was like $29 plus like the little 35% off. So I think I got both of these for like, I don't know, is receipt in here? Yeah. I got both of these things for no price because these bitches ain't telling me. Just know it was like, it was close to 50. I think it might have been 50. That's the only thing about Urban Outfitters. They got nice shit, but they gonna tax the shit out your ass. Anywho, let's get into a package I wanna open, and a package that I ain't gonna say overdue, but some shit y'all done seen before. Y'all done seen this brother on the motherfucking channel. We done had, well, if I say it, I'm gonna give it away. But anyway, I'm gonna pull the shoe out. Stop capping. Today we got some. If y'all can see the way Low looking at me with this paper, put that over here. She gonna try to take it. We got a motherfucking. Y'all, this box is fucked up. This shit is fucked. We gonna try this shit again. We got a pair of motherfucking Revenge Storms, nigga. No, it ain't the blue colorway, nigga. I know one of y'all was like, this nigga bought this shit again, stupid ass boy. I bet he bought another 11, stupid ass boy. But nah, shouts out to GOAT, cause StockX don't have none of these bitches in stock. And the only way I could find these was on GOAT. This shit is brand new though. So we'll go ahead, see what colorway I got, and hopefully these bitches fit this time. So, bow. Hopefully y'all can see that shit. We got the black, I think these called like the Black Flame jumps. Hopefully I can see that jump. These the Black Flame Revenge Storms. Dead stock, never worn. Like they still got lint on the motherfuckers. That's how I know they ain't never been worn. Like the white is still white. So I had to cop these just to make up for that last time, cause that last time was some bullshit. Shout out to the nigga on YouTube that I seen you with these. The bottom of these motherfuckers, like the ones you bought, was red. I don't know if it's like a red alteration or some shit, but if not, I think my man might have got. Cause I was like, I ain't never seen like a pair of Revenge Storms without the Revenge Storm on the bottom of them things. Like, I ain't never. Lowly! We ain't never seen that shit. Ever. But, nah, that shit was crazy. Like, I ain't gonna say he had fake jumps, but I ain't never seen some shit like that. So, shouts out to you. Cause I just wanted to see these on feet. Like, his shit was like mad shiny. Like, I ain't coming at boy's neck, but golly, I think he got, son. Like, I don't know where he got him from, but I think my man's got. I'll do some Googling and shit. But I think homeboy got. He got hit with the vapors. So, yeah, these are little pickups, whatever. You can't have none of this liquor. So these are little pickups, whatever. These shits actually go with that Nas tee. Boy, look at it. Them shits kind of smack. But what I am looking forward to picking up next, I want some Travis Scott merch. And I want that shit bad. I'm thinking about getting like the highest in the room joints. Like it's a real dope ass hoodie that I think will go fire with these. So I'm thinking about getting that. So that's probably next up on the list. Low being slow. Go ahead. But nah, so I'm probably gonna cop that next. But as far as like me personally, well, hold up. If you new and shit, I ain't did this in a minute. If you new and shit, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the links in the description to follow me everywhere and shit. Like, y'all know the drill. Like, I usually don't have that many new people. It has been hella people subscribing in my absence, so shouts out to y'all. But nah, so yeah, go do that. But as far as like me personally, I'm working on. It's like a comic book, but it ain't like a normal comic book. It's more like, how can I describe this shit? It's like the comic strip, but like by like panel by panel. I do like voice acting and all that shit. Like you actually hear shit, you ain't gotta read shit. So it's gonna be like a video. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like, Lo, stop dropping this shit down here. But it's probably gonna be like maybe 1 or 2 minutes, if that. So I've been working on that shit. Hopefully it'll be done by this Friday. I don't know if y'all hear her, but she just did like the cutest fucking growl. I don't know if y'all heard her. And she just jumped. But nah, so that's what I've been working on. Why I haven't really been on YouTube like that. I've been working on that shit. And I've been writing a few things, and I've been pretty much focused on art. Just keep it that way. Put it that way. I've been doing a lot of like orders for people and shit like that, so that's why y'all haven't really seen me. But I ain't gonna say I'm back, because I like the way I've been doing shit, and YouTube took a definite backseat. But I'm having fun, and I'm loving this shit. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. But I should show y'all these, just cause my girl tried. It was our anniversary, and she copped these jumps for me because I really like them. But I'm not gonna show y'all because she might get another pair or some shit. If she just get refunded, then it sucks, but it is what it is. I'll just get them later down the road. But now, it's gonna be a full review on these as always. Hopefully they fit this time. If not, I'm giving up on Revenge Storms. Like I'm gonna just be over it. But yeah, man. Hit that thumbs up and that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. I know I kind of ran through all that shit already, but this is like my first time doing a YouTube video in like, I don't know, maybe in a month, maybe, because I took a break. And that shit has been amazing. Hello, you good? She wildin', but nah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up off here. I got a few more things I wanna do, and yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I